Welcome to Quantitative Aptitude, brought to you by Googly Gamma, your learning companion. This is an introductory video on solving problems on age. Let us learn the three fundamental concepts involved in these problems. The first one is before or after, that is, how to compute age before or after a certain number of years. To illustrate this concept, let us consider a timeline. We denote the present time or the current time as now. Let's take two more points 3 years later, that is plus 3 years from now, and another point 2 years ago or 2 years before, that is minus 2 years from now. If we denote a person, say John, and his current age as X, then 3 years later, John's age will be X plus 3. Similarly, John would have been X minus 2 years old 2 years ago. The second important concept is understanding the multiplication factor from the problem statement. For example, John's mother is twice as old as John. This means John's mother, say M, is equal to 2 times John's age, which means 2J. Or if John's mother is 3 times John's age, M is equal to 3J. Let us also familiarize ourselves with fractions. For example, John is half as old as his mom. This gives J is equal to half into M, or 2J is equal to M. Or suppose if John's age is 1/3 of that of his mom, it means J is equal to 1/3 into M, giving M equal to 3J. The last fundamental concept we are discussing today is ratio. If the problem statement says that the ratio of ages of John and his mom is 1:3, this translates into J by M equals 1/3. There is an alternative way of representing the same information. Suppose the ratio is 2:3, we get J by M equals 2/3. We can multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number x. This gives J by M equals to 2x by 3x. This knowledge is directly used in certain problems, especially when there is no other information about ages of John and mom. Remember this, when you see any ratio, say 2:3, we can directly start with the assumption that John's age is 2x and his mom's age is 3x. With that, now we have mastered all the tools to tackle problems on age. If you are eager to start solving problems right away, please go to the tutorial video link in the description. The video will tell you a single technique to solve most of the age-related problems confidently. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave feedback. Thanks for learning with Googly Gamma.